Breaking news coming in. Supreme Court order on Hathras case is out, says no need for Supreme Court to monitor. High Court is looking at all the aspects. The Supreme Court has accepted UP government stance that protection is being given. The Supreme Court has gone ahead and said that once the investigation is complete, transfer of trial outside UP can be considered. As of now, the CBI is dealing with it and there is no cause of apprehension. That's the latest coming in right there. Supreme Court going on right there to accept the UP government stand on protection being given. Ashutosh Mishra is now joining us for the very latest. Ashutosh, if you could just walk our viewers through this particular order that has come out. This means that the Supreme Court is saying that the CBI is dealing with this case. Let it complete dealing with this case, and with that there is no apprehension at the moment. And because there is a High Court which is looking into all aspects, they've gone ahead and accepted the UP government stand that protection is being given.
When this case moved, Chetty, to the Supreme Court, there were three main contentions in this entire case. The first, case should be transferred. The trial of this case should be transferred from Uttar Pradesh to Delhi. In that case, the Supreme Court said, let the investigative agency, which is the CBI, let the agency complete the investigation, and later, that can be discussed whether the trial need to be conducted in the territory of Uttar Pradesh or that need to be shifted to Delhi. The second contention was providing security, adequate security to the family. I am here in Hathras, and the family of the victim, the family member, they all are just sitting here right behind me. And as far as security measures are concerned, let me just take you a view. Entire, company of, the state.
Ashutosh, about that particular interruption, I'm coming back to you, but Maushami is joining us live from the Supreme Court. She's got some updates for us in this particular case. Maushami, what do you have for us? The Supreme Court order on the Hathras case is out. Over to you.
Chetty, it is really clear now, as the order says, that the entire investigation now will happen under the monitoring of the High Court. So clearly the Supreme Court is convinced as far as the security arrangements and the protection that has been given to the families concerned. Another important point is that the Supreme Court has observed that as far as transfer of this particular case outside the premises of Uttar Pradesh is concerned, because the family members had expressed apprehension that they wanted this case to be transferred outside the state of Uttar Pradesh. They have said, let the CBI, which is a central agency, complete that probe, and then perhaps we could take a call on whether it should be transferred outside Uttar Pradesh or not. Importantly, the hearing had been going on for some time, and the Uttar Pradesh government had given a detailed report on what protection they have provided to the family, as the family members of the victim had expressed concern over the security arrangements. There had been tension in the village, and the Supreme Court seems convinced that the appropriate measures have been taken by agencies to provide protection, because the Supreme Court was very keen on knowing whether the family members and the victim, it had stated it was a horrific incident, and they were concerned whether proper security measures had been taken. So on that count, the Supreme Court has given a thumbs up as far as the security and protection measures provided by the UP government is concerned. Transfer of trial to Delhi or any other state will not be considered at this early stage. So the Supreme Court considers that at this point of time, it is a bit too early to consider whether the case can be transferred, thereby giving the CBI ample time to ensure that the investigation is completed, and after that the Supreme Court would take a call on whether the case should be transferred. But till then, High Court will
Maushami getting us those updates right there from the Supreme Court. Now I'm going to go back to Ashutosh, who's joining us from Hathras. Ashutosh, apologies about the earlier interruption, but we had updates coming in from the Supreme Court. But for now, what we can safely say is that the Supreme Court says, let the CBI do its job. Very early for this case to be transferred to Delhi. So at the moment, where things stand is that there is no need of a Supreme Court monitored probe, according to the SC. I'm going to throw straight across to you as you're reporting live from Hathras on this.
Well, that's also a relief for the family. In fact, there have been apprehension from the counsel of the family that there could be some foul play. But given to the order, the Supreme Court says now the entire investigation by the premier agency will be under the monitoring of the High Court. In fact, the CBI will have to also file affidavit and constantly update the High Court. So clearly, under that monitoring, that somewhere satisfied the family's biggest apprehension. As far as security measures are concerned, the PAC entire company has been deployed here, not only at the right outside house of the family, but also even outskirt of that village. The entire periphery of this village is secured. Here, the rest of the armed guards of the UP Police and PAC, they are also camping. So the entire camp of the security establishment of the local state force have been established here to ensure that family remains safe. Now, as far as trial is concerned, there was apprehension whether there will be a fair trial in Delhi. So that apprehension, Supreme Court said, let the investigative agency complete this investigation and later can be discussed in the court, and court can later decide whether that needs to be transferred out of the territory of Uttar Pradesh or not. As far as family is concerned, we just spoke to the family members, and now they are waiting to have a conversation with their own counsels, because the court order has just come. Unless they are, that message being convened by their counsel, they are a little apprehensive about coming before the camera. So maybe in next few minutes we'll have first reaction from the family member, and this is going to be a big day because the biggest apprehension has been addressed by the top court, whether the entire investigation will be under the monitoring of the Uttar Pradesh High Court.
All right, Ashutosh, leave it at that. Thanks for joining us for the very latest on this particular case. We'll continue tracking this in much detail. Moving on.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.